केंद्रीय अर्थमंत्री निर्मला सीतारामन वांगडच्या बसकेन जीएसटी संबंधित वेगवेगळ्या प्रश्नांचेर चर्चा जाल्ल्याचे मंत्री माविन गुदिनो हांणी सांगले। जीएसटी काउन्सिलचे वांगडी म्हण ते ह्या बसकेन वांटेकार जाल्ल्याचे तांणी सांगले।
Basically, as you know, I am a member of the GST Council. Whatever issues that are there, I am there on as many as 5 UMs. Some we have submitted our reports, some we have yet to submit the report. It is a continuous work in progress. So whatever inputs that I have to get from the Finance Ministry, whatever I have to discuss, that is what I discussed. My Honorable Chief Minister also was there. He discussed very important issues as regards Goa, and particularly the mining issue, and various other issues were discussed. So both of us basically brought on the table talks that would help get more finance for Goa in different ways, as have less taxation, and how that can be carried forward.